So I want to show you the planar compensation of Centroid CNC 12, in this case to correct an issue with a geometrical setup of malate. To turn this on, you have to go to Setup, Config, Machine, Motor, and turn the screw compensation on. Now it's turned off. If I turn it on, the planar compensation is active. And you can edit compensation tables. In this case you need the CNC-Z tab to edit, and these are from home position, different position of the Z axis, and this is corresponding correction for the X axis to these positions. So it's already dialed in. And as you can see, if I move the Z-axis, it looks like the X-axis is doing nothing. But if you go to the encoder, this is the motor position of the Z encoder, and this is the scale position. And if I move now only the Z axis, you can see within the range where the compensation is active, the X axis is doing its compensation moves.